Holy cow, more examples of series circuits, right? And this one's tricky because it's got like that voltmeter in the middle. What do we do with that? Okay. Well, the first thing I'm going to do here is we got one current here, right? The current is going do. Remember that currents don't go through voltmeters. Voltmeters are passive observers to the circuit, right? Okay. There's the one current, and the resistance, the total resistance, that's what RT is, right? Is 500 plus 200 plus 90 plus 110 plus 130. This is like higher mathematics. I'm going to use my calculator. 500 plus 200 plus 90 plus 110 plus 130. This is 1,030. It's a lot of ohms. Okay. And now we're set. Now we can figure out the one current. I is V over R is 120 volts divided by 1,030 ohms. Okay, so 120 divided by 1,030. I'm going to store that in I. This is 0.1165 amps. Okay. Now let's look at V1. V1 is IR, and the current is 0.1165. That's amps, right? And then the resistance from here to there is 500 ohms, right? Okay. So times 500, 58.25, so 58.3 must be that answer there, right? Let's figure out V2. That's IR. And the current is still 0.1165. The current in every series circuit, it's always the same. Same current, same current. Okay. And then that is, V2 goes from here, the current goes to there. There's only 90, there's only 90 ohms in the path, right? Okay, so I'm going to go 90 times alpha I, and I get 10.485. Right, so 10.5 volts, that's that answer there. Okay, and then crazy V3, right? What do we do with V3? Well, the resistance for V3, it starts here, and the, the resistance it's across is 90 plus 110 plus 130 gets us there. So you follow the current from upstream to downstream, right? Well, 90 plus 110 is 200 plus 130 is 330, right? So that resistance that this guy sees is 330 ohms, right? So this equals IR is 0.1165 amps times, and then this is 90 plus 110 plus 130, which is 330 ohms, right? So 330I is 38.446. Ta-da. So if it looks confusing like this, the rule is there's only one current, so start on the upstream side. Look at all the voltage that you run into from the upstream to the downstream side of the voltmeter. There you go.